fitness journey, Kashyap. Now,
Absolutely.
your fitness journey has been very interesting, and I'm going to share this with everyone. From being someone who was, I'm going to say it, to be quite underweight, like me, because he and I shared this. Like, we're like, oh, we both are underweight. To be someone who is so much focused on fitness, yeah? How has that been for you? Number one question. Number two question is you actually went and you got yourself trained to be a fitness coach professionally. You learned, you went and did a course to get the requisite certification. So why did that happen? If you could share that.
Absolutely, absolutely. I would love to do that. And like as I was growing up, I was a very thin boy. I was never used to eating that much food. I was always into activities like playing cricket, football, and doing a lot of. I never focused. Like my mom used to be behind me, like saying, "Kha le beta, jaldi se kha le, ye kha le, wo kha le." But I was never used to listen to her at that time. But then I realized in my teens, when I was I think in 10th standard, I realized that I'm like 6 foot tall and just 54 kgs there. I'm like, wow, this needs to be changed, and I was always fan of bodybuilding. I used to watch Arnold videos, and I used to get really motivated by him. So he was my idol basically as a kid. I used to watch his film Terminator and all of Judgment Day and True Lies and all of those. I used to be, wow, this guy has some personality there. So I always looked up to him, and I said, this is the time where I should. In fact, I wanted to start training myself way earlier, but people used to tell me at that time that height nahi badegi, ye nahi hoga, wo nahi hoga. So let me just talk about this myth. This is a myth that height nahi badegi. So basically, when in your genes, in your DNA, the information is already there that how tall you are going to grow. It's not, you can't do anything about it. Nothing can stop you from growing, or nothing can help you to grow.
Correct.
You understand, there is information in the bones where it will, you have to, अगर 6 foot होना है तो 6 foot होएगा ही. If you start doing weight and you will stop growing, that won't happen. So people say मैं basketball खेल रहा था और मेरी height बढ़ गई, volleyball खेल रहा था तो मेरी height बढ़ गई. That is a complete myth. That wouldn't happen. जिसको लंबा होना है वो होके रहेगा. That is a myth. So basically I waited for me to get around 15 or 16 so that I grow up completely, and then I start lifting weights. So after a point I decided कि नहीं अभी तो gym करना ही है. I have to do it now. So I joined the gym, and I was so pumped up about it. I'm like, no, I need to get to my goals. I need to achieve something in like fitness. So I started training myself. There were personal trainers, and the dietitian used to give me all the diets, and I don't know how true were they, but I was following that so religiously that I gained around 20 kgs in like 6 months flat. So from 54 kgs to 74 kgs in just 6 months. So I was like, wow, this is really working. This is changing me. But there was one point where I realized that all the trainers who train me are training me in a different way, and they are giving their own theories about fitness. They actually like the workout that we are doing, what is actually doing to our body, or what body part it is training. So I used to get very confused, and I was after a point I said, "ये सब अलग-अलग क्यों बोल रहे इतना?" And then there was one point where I decided that I need to get some formal knowledge on this. So I started searching for all the fitness institutes here and there, and then I came across this amazing fitness institute called K11 Academy of Fitness Sciences. I enrolled there, and my God, what knowledge I got from there! My whole perspective towards fitness changed. Like complete science. They have complete science with them, and you can't really argue because science is always right, So it has all the logic behind it. And it really changed my perspective, and I was so interested. I was very interactive with the lecturers over there. I used to talk to them. I used to ask questions. I'm like, why this? Why that? Why not this exercise? Why that? So that was my point of interest. and I was like, wow, this is amazing. So then I topped in my class, and they offered me a job. I'm like, wow, I never came for this, for a job,
Yeah.
because I was studying at that time. This was around 10 years back. So I was like, wow, but then let's give it a shot, let me just brush up my skills. So then they posted me for a part-time job at a Juhu fitness club in Juhu. So so I started training people there, and it was lovely, meeting different minds, what people think about fitness. That actually I could relate, what they taught me there, and I used to I used to go over the top and explain people like this is right, this is wrong. बोलते हैं तुम आप मुझे बहुत सिखाते हो सर, इतना मत सिखाओ. I'm like नहीं ये तो सही बात है, आपको करना ही चाहिए, आपके अच्छे के लिए. So I used to always go I used to explain them like crazy, and because out of passion.
And when you start teaching also, what happens is our passion increases because you share your knowledge. So वो खुद भी passion increase हो जाता है ना?
Absolutely, and there is they can't really argue with you because what you are saying has all the backup of science. So that is amazing. And it's been 11 years now, almost 11 years. I have been rigorously following my fitness routine, intense weight training. My diet is very clean. So it has been a lovely journey till now. Hopefully, I can carry on till whatever time,